Welcome to another session with Learning with D. Our short explainer videos are not just fun and practical, but demonstrate that education is for everyone. Everyone can learn. In this video, we're going to be focusing on interest rates. So, what is interest? Interest is an amount of money you will either pay a lending institution for allowing you to borrow a sum of money, or the amount you will earn if you choose to save your money in an institution. We're going to focus on two types of interest, simple interest and compound interest. And for the purpose of this video, all calculations will be done for you. Simple interest is paid only on the initial principal, whereas compound interest is paid on the principal plus accumulated interest. An example will better demonstrate this. Kayla puts $5,000 into a savings account for a duration of 5 years, earning an interest rate of 5% per annum, which is 5% per year. The following table shows the interest earned during that time for both simple and compound interest. In the first year, the interest earned is the same. This is because the amount which the interest is being calculated on is the same, the original principal. However, there is a glaring difference in year 2. The simple interest remains the same, but there's a difference in the compound interest. The compound interest, if you recall, is calculated on the sum of the principal plus accumulated interest. Therefore, in this case, it was calculated on 5,250 as opposed to 5,000. At the end of 5 years, then, we can see that the total interest is different. Other videos in this and other series are available. Like, share, and subscribe if you found the video helpful. If there's a topic you'd like to see us tackle, just let us know.